Hi there, I'm Rita, and today on Fresh Table, we are going to make 3 incredibly healthy and delicious smoothies that only require 3 ingredients. Last time I shared my smoothie recipe, you guys absolutely loved it, and so I am back with some more 3 ingredient smoothies. I'm also going to be sharing some of my favorite tips and tricks on how you can easily freeze batch these smoothies. So let's get started. For our first smoothie, we're going to make a green apple smoothie. I love to buy these fresh power greens from Costco, and then when you get home, place them in the freezer and then just use them at your convenience. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a high power blender, and then to that we're going to add 1 large handful of our frozen greens. Next we're going to add 1 green apple, and then we're going to add our green apple to the blender. And then the last thing we're going to add is 1 cup of coconut water. You wanna make sure your coconut water isn't from concentrate and doesn't have any added sugars. Okay, so just snap on the lid and then blend it up. The green apple and the dark leafy greens are full of vitamin C, vitamin A, antioxidants, and polynutrients. The dark leafy greens are also amazing for your gut health as well. For our next 2 smoothies, we're going to be using frozen fruit. I love to use frozen fruit because you can buy it more affordably than fresh fruit, and it's a great substitute for ice, which makes these smoothies more nutrient dense. For our second smoothie, we're going to make a carrot pineapple smoothie. So we're going to chop the top and bottom of 1 carrot and then add that to the blender. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of frozen pineapple. And then again, we're going to add 1 cup of coconut water. Okay, snap on the lid, and then we're just going to blend right up. This pineapple carrot smoothie is loaded full of nutrients such as antioxidants, aids in digestion, and is full of vitamin C as well as vitamin A and beta carotene. My last tip that I love to do is, rather than just taking the whole banana and throwing them in the freezer, I like to peel the banana and then slice them in half. Then place them in an airtight glass container and then conveniently use in either baking or smoothies. Okay, so the last recipe is a berry banana smoothie. So add 1 cup of frozen mixed berries, and this is also really good with just blueberries or raspberries as well. Next we're going to add 2 of our frozen bananas, and then we're going to add 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and you can use any nut milk you like. And then we're just gonna blend this up. This banana berry smoothie is loaded full of fiber and antioxidants. It's anti-inflammatory and has vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium. Some of my favorite things that I love to add to smoothies are hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, or even chia seeds. I also love to add a good protein powder. This brand Chuvani is one of my favorites, and I will link down below for you. To meal prep your smoothie, measure out your fruits and vegetables in airtight glass containers. And then when you're ready to enjoy it, throw them in the blender, add your liquid, and you can have an easy grab and go smoothie in minutes. All right, well, I'm going to try the banana berry. I could have this every single day. It's so delicious, and it just goes to show you don't need a ton of different ingredients in order to make a smoothie. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I have a lot to drink here, and so does Damien. So if you enjoyed these recipes, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified every single time I upload new videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.